Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about this program so you can join in, clear your doubts, and make the most of it. I'll walk you through some important points, where to find answers to common questions, and how to get started the right way. So stick around till the end to make sure you don't miss anything important. Now I'm going to explain everything about the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program Cohort 2 2025. I'll walk you through what this program is all about, what you need before joining, how the enrollment works, and what happens once you get the selection mail. I'll also share why this program is a golden opportunity if you're looking to level up your cloud skills and grab some exclusive rewards from Google. So what exactly is this program? The Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program Cohort 2 is a free learning program by Google where students get hands-on experience with the Google Cloud Platform, that is GCP. It's not just about theory. You'll actually use Google Cloud products, perform real labs, and work on practical cloud tasks. By the end of it, you'll not only have gained valuable skills, but also earn certifications, skill badges, and exclusive Google goodies, including some amazing swags, all directly from Google. And yes, it's completely free. You don't have to spend a single rupee to join. Now, before we even move ahead with the enrollment part, I want to let you know that I have already created a dedicated playlist on my channel for this program. In that playlist, you'll find videos where I have clearly explained what the Google Cloud Facilitator program is and also what the Arcade program is all about. This playlist is designed to give you proper guidance from start to finish, so even if you're new, you won't get lost at any stage. I'll be showing that playlist in this video as well, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can watch it anytime. Now, before you rush to register, there are some important things you need to have ready. I've already made a dedicated video on my channel that covers all the prerequisites, things like having the right Gmail account, setting it up properly, and making sure you're ready for the enrollment process. In that video, I walk you through the exact steps so you don't face issues later. I'll play that clip here, and I'll also link it in the description so you can watch it fully before enroll. Once you're done with the prerequisites, the next move is to enroll. You'll need to go to the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program Cohort 2 official website. Right now, the enrollment form for Cohort 2 is live. Open the form, fill it out using your prepared Gmail ID, enter all your correct details and submit it. That's it, your registration is done. If you're confused about this part, don't worry. I've already made another video where I show the complete registration process from start to finish so you can follow along easily. After you submit the form, within 24 to 48 hours, you should receive a confirmation or selection mail from Google. That's your official entry into the program, so keep checking your inbox and don't forget to look in your spam folder just in case. Now, in this video, I'm mainly going to focus on what happens after you get that selection mail, because that's when the real fun begins. You'll get access to the labs, learning paths, and all the resources. You'll have to complete a series of labs on the GCP platform, earn badges along the way, and make sure you finish everything before the deadlines. The more you complete, the more recognition and rewards you get. At the end, if you've done it right, you'll have certificates, badges, and maybe even some physical goodies shipped directly from Google. So, if you follow everything I've just said, watch the prerequisites video, enroll from the official site, wait for your selection mail, and then get ready to dive into the labs, you'll be set for a smooth start in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program Cohort 2. In the next part of this video, I'll break down exactly what to do during the program, how to approach labs, track your progress, and maximize your rewards while actually building solid cloud skills. Alright participants, once you get your selection or confirmation email for the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program Goal 2, the real journey begins. In that email, you'll see a unique code, and trust me, this isn't just a random string of letters and numbers. This is your golden ticket to 600 free credits. These credits are what you'll use to complete the skill badges in this program. Without them, you won't be able to access many of the labs, so make it your very first priority to redeem this code as soon as you get it. The sooner you claim your credits, the sooner you can start progressing.
Once that's done, head straight to the official Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program website. This is where you'll find the syllabus, your complete map of everything you need to finish to unlock the rewards. The program runs until October 6th, but it's divided into 4 milestones spread across August and September. The higher the milestone you reach, the more bonus points and swags you can grab. The top goal is the ultimate milestone, which means completing every single task in the syllabus in just 2 months. That includes the games, trivia, skill badges, and lab-free courses. For August, your games are arranged in sections: Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Base Camp, Certification Zone, and the monthly special game. September will follow the same pattern. Every month also has weekly trivia challenges, 4 in August, 4 in September. Some games like special or flash games are only open for 7 to 10 days mid-month, so you'll need to keep an eye on the dates. Regular games, however, will stay open until the end of the month. You'll need access codes to join these games, and I've already made a detailed video on my channel showing exactly how to enter them. Now, about the skill badges, the syllabus lists 45 badges, but if you're aiming for the ultimate milestone, you'll need 52. Don't panic. I've already prepared a master sheet with over 80 badge options along with their solutions, so you'll always have extra choices. You can complete these badges anytime before October 6th. The same goes for the lab-free courses. You'll need to finish 24 of them, and I have included all of them with solutions in my resource list. The most important thing to remember is this: games and trivia must be done in their respective months. Once the month is over, you can't go back. But skill badges and lab-free courses are flexible. You can do them anytime before the program ends.
So your roadmap is simple. Claim your credits, follow the syllabus on the program website, stay on top of your monthly games and trivia, and chip away at your skill badges and lab-based courses at your own pace. With all the resources I've already shared, you're fully equipped to aim for that ultimate milestone and take home every reward this program offers. So, after completing your skill badges, the next focus should be on the lab-free courses. In this program, you'll need to finish a total of 24 of these lab-based courses to hit the ultimate milestone. I've already prepared a detailed document for you with every single lab listed along with the correct solutions, so you won't have to waste time figuring them out on your own. You can work on both the skill badges and the lab-free courses at any time during the 2-month program, which will run until the 6th of October. Now, when it comes to the games and trivia challenges, the timeline works a little differently. In August, you'll be required to complete 6 games and 4 trivia games, and then in September, you'll need to complete another 6 games and 4 trivia games. So while the skill badges and labs give you flexibility, the games and trivia must be completed within their respective months. Once you finish everything, the skill badges, all 24 lab-free courses, the games and the trivia challenges, you'll have 46 arcade points for your milestone completion. But here's the exciting part. If you manage to achieve the ultimate milestone by completing all 24 lab courses, you'll earn an extra 25 bonus points. That brings your total up to 71 arcade points, which is more than enough to redeem some really amazing Google Cloud swags and exclusive goodies. So aim for that ultimate milestone, make the most of these 2 months, and turn this Arcade Facilitator program into your biggest win yet. So if you scroll down to the lower portion of the page, you'll notice a section about arcade points. This section covers a lot of commonly asked questions related to how the point system works. I really suggest going through all of that information because it's going to clear up a huge chunk of your doubts and queries right away. Many of the confusions participants have are already addressed there, so it's worth taking a careful read. Now, apart from that, you'll also see an FAQ section. Just click on it and you'll find a list of frequently asked questions, not only about the Arcade Facilitator program itself, but also about Google Cloud Skills Boost in general. My strong suggestion is to read through every single question and answer in that section. If you do that, trust me, almost 80% of your doubts, queries, and confusion will be solved instantly. And if after going through the arcade point section and the FAQs, you still have any doubts left, you can always drop your questions in the comment section of this video. You'll also find links to our WhatsApp groups in the comments. Feel free to join those groups so that you can share your queries there as well and get quick help from the community. Before we wrap up, let me just say this. Don't waste your time and don't waste the available spots for this program. Go ahead and register now. The registration link, referral codes, and even tutorial videos on how to register are all provided in the description below. Make sure to check them out and secure your place before it's too late. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this breakdown helps you understand how the Google Cloud Arcade points system works and how you can track your progress. Remember, the key is to stay consistent, complete the lab-free courses, and keep an eye on your arcade points so you can unlock all the rewards in the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are also taking part in the program. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss my upcoming videos where I share more tips, step-by-step guides, and updates on tech programs and certifications. Thanks for watching.